Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video for y'all, and this time it's the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So as you can see over here, I've just made the unboxing. Hope you liked it, and I'll show you the overview of the device. So this is the device. I've got it in the blue color and it's really looking nice. So I just thought of getting it because black looks too much like old style, so I thought of getting a different color, a poppy color, and this is the one. So this is the blue one which I have right now, and you have already seen the unboxing of it. So on the box you can see 10 minutes charge and you get 10 hours of playtime. So bear in mind, this playtime is only for music, not for calling. So of course if you make calls, you are going to use the earphones plus the mic, so that will definitely reduce the 10 hours mark. It may come up around 7 or 8 hours, that depends on how much you're gonna use it. Then the highlight over here is 20 hours of battery life. Yes guys, this does give you a 20 hour of battery life. And on the back you can see it has warp charge. So do bear in mind, this warp charge supports if you have a warp charger. So if you have any charger above 27 watts output, definitely it is gonna give you that warp charge feature. If not, I don't know, but as far as I've heard and did research on it, definitely it does work on charges. This warp charge would work above the 27 watt. Then you have the waterproof. So it's not exactly a waterproof, but yeah, you will get water resistance, so you can use it in the gym. Long battery life, as you all know, 20 hours of battery. Magnet control, which I'll show you all now. Then quick switch, that also is another feature wherein you can switch the device from one to this other one, so you can have two devices because this supports Bluetooth 5.0 and the low latency mode. So of course do bear in mind again one more that this will support only your OnePlus device because it works only on the phonetic mode. Others it may, but then the most advantage or the best advantage can be taken by the OnePlus device. So this is how the earphone looks like. Okay, yes, the price, as everyone knows, it's 2000 Indian rupees. That's 1999, and you can get it on Amazon and Flipkart. I got it mine on Amazon, yeah, and you can get it on the OnePlus website as well. So this is the blue color, as you can see, nice and poppy color, okay, bright color. And this is how the magnet is. Okay, so it's pretty strong, and the plus point over here is you do not have to switch on and off by a button. It's just you separate the magnet and it switches on, you connect the magnet back again and it is off. That's how easy it is to pair. The same thing, you just have to unplug the device, okay, just separate the magnet and then get a phone and connect it, and that's it, you are up and running. So here is the best part. Over here is what I like. You can see over here, this is the USB type C. Okay, the best thing is you do not have to carry extra cable. So if you have a OnePlus phone or any other phone which supports USB type C, then definitely you can just charge it with the same cord or the same wire. And it does come, as well as company gives you the old school, the red and white color, their signature color, red and white color USB type C to type A. Okay, and that's it. And just last but not the least is the red cable club. So of course OnePlus has started their red cable club, and you can get a lot of information on that. So they have just added in this. And so that's it about the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. It's good for the price and the sound quality and the usage and all. I would definitely make a review on this and I'll get back to you all on the same. And for now, that's it. thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe, and please do support me on this video and the content I make. Thank you.